In this video, I'm going to give you a quick demo of the Arsenal MKG software and show you how you can start generating your own exclusive real estate leads in literally just 3 clicks of your mouse. So just 3 clicks of your mouse, we'll be setting up a Facebook ad, an Instagram ad, a lead capture page, a 12-month email and SMS follow-up, all integrated with Facebook Messenger bots that are booking appointments automatically on your calendar. And so I just want to show you guys how to set this all up. I'll show you where the leads come in. We have a mobile app for instant lead notifications as well as two-way texting, so you can communicate with all of your leads on the go. So here is an example of one of our lead campaigns. You can see the buyer leads messenger lead page. You got the Facebook ad that you can preview right here. You are able to promote it on Facebook, text message, all those different things. So let's just go through and set up a campaign. So we're just going to click on create a lead campaign, and we give you some basic options right here. So we go, do you want to market a listing? So do you have a listing that you want to market, or maybe another agent in your office has a listing? You want to market an open house, market for buyer leads, so you want to work with buyers, but maybe you don't have a listing to go through and market. Or you could even create a custom ad. So we have a lot of real estate investors, lots of loan officers, or if you want to go for seller leads or any other type of lead, we have several other templates that you literally can just copy and paste. We've got the single story homes list, buy or sell, luxury homes list, just sold, and we're always adding more templates right here to this page. Okay, so for this example, let's just say we want to go through and mark for buyer leads. So let's say we don't have a listing, so we want to mark for buyer leads. So we just click right here, and all we got to do is just fill out a few basic pieces of information. So we're just going to say this is the test demo buyer leads campaign. And then we'll answer a few different data points, and every single campaign is the exact same situation. We'll ask a few questions, and we pull that information, and we're able to create the Facebook and Instagram ad, the landing pages, and all the email and SMS follow-up for you in literally just 3 clicks, like I've been telling you. Okay, so we say the average home price. So let's say we like to work with homes in the $500,000 range, and you work in the Portland, Oregon area. So let's put in Portland or whatever area you work in. And then we'll just upload an image of a home for this example in the area. So I've got this one right here. So that's all we got to do. We just fill out some basic information, then we hit next. So this is our first click right there. Okay, so 1 click, we've got 2 more clicks, and we're done. Okay, now it says, where would you like the lead to go after opting in to your lead capture page? Okay, so we have all these different options, and the cool thing is the Arsenal system connects and integrates in with your Facebook account. So we automatically pull your Facebook business page right there. Or you could say I want to send them to my website, or you want to have them automatically book an appointment with you, or send them through a buyer messenger bot, seller messenger bot, and we have all of this pre-created, pre-done for you. Or you could even send them to a custom URL. So for this example, let's say we want to do a buyer messenger bot. So we just check that, and then we're going to hit next. And then we come over here. What is your daily budget? How much do you want to go through and invest on your advertising spend? And this goes directly to Facebook. So the Arsenal, we don't see any of that money. It goes just directly to Facebook to show your ad on Facebook and Instagram, 2 of the hottest social networks right now. So we recommend starting out at $10 per day. And then we just say, okay, I understand that I'm paying this money to Facebook. And then we just put in our target city. Okay, so we're just going to go do Portland, Oregon. Okay, and then we just select it right there. And then if you want to go through and increase your radius of the city, like maybe you live in a small town and you want to go like a 20 or 30 mile radius or a 50 mile radius, you can easily go through and do that over here. But usually we like to stick with a 15-mile radius. And then other than that, we take care of all of the other targeting. Okay, all the other inclusions, exclusions, we make sure that it's compliant with Facebook's special ad category, choosing housing. And so you literally don't have to worry about any of the other targeting options, because we spend thousands and thousands of dollars every single day on Facebook advertising. So we know the ideal targeting for every single campaign that you're going through and setting up. So you just throw in your city, and then check this out. We've already got all of the ad copy. We've got the image uploaded. We've got the headline, subheadline, the call to action, everything already done for you. Now, if you did want to go through in here and maybe let's say you wanted to customize this a bit more, you could easily do that, but we highly recommend just using what we have proven and we know works and converts for your business. Okay, so now we come down here and all we do, this is our 3rd and final click, we hit launch. Now this is going to take about 5 to 10 seconds because we're creating the Facebook ad, the Instagram ad, the Facebook tracking, the custom conversion events, the landing page, a 12-month email and SMS follow-up. We're tying it all in with Facebook Messenger bots, and we're doing this all for you on complete autopilot. And once this is all created, your ad will go live once Facebook goes through the review process. Okay, so this is gonna pop up right here in just a second. So we got this test demo buyer leads right there. We've got our lead page. If we click on this, this is the landing page we just created for you. So we got that background image we added. Welcome to the Portland homes list under 500,000. They come over here, get me the list, and then the lead is gonna come over here and put in their name, their email address, their phone number, just like that. And once they hit submit, they become a lead in the Arsenal CRM, which I'll show you here in just a bit. Or if you already have a CRM that you use and love, we actually integrate with Zapier, which basically is the ultimate communication tool online, which allows any software to connect with any other software. So if you already have a CRM, we can easily sift and sort and send all the leads to your existing CRM. But the cool thing is once that lead hits the submit button, you'll get an instant lead notification on the Arsenal mobile app. The lead will get an instant email as well as text follow-up message, which I'll show you here in just a second. But then on top of that, check this out. They'll come over here and click on find more homes for sale here. And this is where the real power goes and kicks into the Facebook Messenger bot, just like we showed you earlier, just like we selected on that campaign wizard. It says, hey Jason, I see you're looking for homes in the area. That's great. Is there a certain number of bedrooms that you're looking for? And let me just zoom in here so you can see this a little bit better. Come down here, so they come in over here and say 3 to 4 bedrooms, and then this automatically goes through and replies, says okay, perfect. Are you a first-time home buyer? They say yes. Okay, so you're like, okay, awesome. I know I need to get them with the lender because they might qualify for some special financing. And it says great, how soon you're looking to move? I'm looking to move as soon as possible. And so this automatically goes through and follows up. So while you're out and about at appointments, showings, open houses, your kids' soccer games, you can just come at the end of the day and see how each and every single one of your leads responded. Now on top of this, just like I showed you guys a little bit earlier, was telling you a little bit earlier, we also have a 12-month email and SMS follow-up to connect and follow up with every single one of the leads that you're generating from this landing page and from this ad. Okay, so all we got to do is over here, this follow-ups button right there, and then you can see we've got all of the email and SMSs all pre-populated for you. And you can see right here it says first name, and this is going to automatically populate with whatever name they put on the landing page, and it's going to have your contact details right here. You can go through and choose what you want in your own email signature. And then we've got the text messages. We've got all these for an entire, scrolling down here, 360 days. Okay, now when a lead responds to one of these text messages, you'll actually get notified on the Arsenal mobile app, and you'll be able to have two-way texting with all these leads, be able to boost the number of sales conversations that you're having with these leads. And you can go in and you can add another email or another text message follow-up. And then once the lead responds as well, let's say you're out and about at appointments or showings, and maybe you get the lead notification or the text notification, but you don't have time to go through and respond to them. Well, you can have your assistant, or you can maybe have an ISA or someone be able to go through, log into your account and connect with all of the leads through the Arsenal inbox tab. Okay, so you'll be able to see what leads are being generated, and you'll be able to see what emails are being sent, what emails are opening, and then it'll have all of the text messages right in here. We can toggle back and forth, add notes, send a text message, add tags, a lead status, let's say they're pending, different things like that, and then automatically go through and book these people on your calendar and book appointments. Now, just a couple of other things I'll show you really quick. All right, here on our leads tab, we can go through, we can import leads, we can export leads, and you can see right here we've got all the different tagging, buyer, and seller. You can update their lead status, and we can even say, hey, we want to go through and we want to enroll them in a drip campaign. Okay, so we have these follow-up drip campaigns for buyer leads, seller leads, newsletter. If you want to go through and have a custom follow-up, we have all these campaigns as well, and these once again are also pre-built. So you can see we got the email and text message follow-up that's already all pre-built here as well for you. So if you import leads, if they're not coming from one of your Facebook ads or landing pages that you've already pre-created, then you can easily enroll them in one of these follow-up campaigns. And then last but not least, what I want to show you guys is we also have email and text message blasts or broadcasts. So let's say you get a new listing or you have an open house that you want people to know about. All you got to do is come over here, click on create a new broadcast email or text message. For this example, just say a broadcast, and then you can say, hey, I want to send it to all the buyers, and this is a new listing, and you can go through and send them information about this listing and say, hey, go over to this landing page for more information. And so you can get some more demand from your existing database. So anyway guys, what I will do is I will drop a link to our 30-day lead challenge right below this video in the description, as well as in the top comment. And with that 30-day lead challenge, we will help you get started and get your first 15 exclusive buyer leads in the next 30 days. And on top of that, we will even set up your very first lead generation campaign and make sure everything is connected and set up properly so you can start generating a consistent flow of leads for your real estate business. So anyway, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable, and also jump down there, get started with the 30-day lead challenge, and I look forward to seeing you in the group.